Imagine doing something for 30 years, praying, giving charity, helping people, and on the day of judgment, you discover it was worth nothing, not because the action was wrong, but because the intention was wrong. Subhanallah. Many of us focus on what we do, but Islam teaches us to focus first on why we do it. You might give charity, but is it for Allah or for people to praise you? You might pray, but is it for Allah or because others are watching? You might even create Islamic content, but is it for Allah or for views and followers? This is why one of the most powerful hadith in Islam teaches us a simple but life-changing principle. A principle that scholars say is the foundation of our deeds. Listen carefully to the words of the Prophet. The Messenger of Allah said, "Actions are judged by intentions, and every person will get the reward according to what they intended. So whoever migrated for Allah and His Messenger, his migration was for Allah and His Messenger. And whoever migrated for worldly gain or to marry a woman, his migration was for that which he migrated." Subhanallah. The same action can lead one person to Jannah and another person to nothing at all. Two people pray the same prayer. One receives a huge reward, the other receives almost nothing. Why? The intention. A person might sleep, but with the intention of gaining strength to wake up for Fajr. Even that sleep becomes an act of worship. Someone might smile at another Muslim with sincerity for Allah. That simple smile becomes a charity. But the opposite is also true. A person might give thousands in charity, but if it was done to be seen, admired, or praised, then the reward disappears. This is why the scholars constantly check their intentions. Before speaking, before teaching, before giving charity, they would ask themselves, "Am I doing this for Allah?" And this question is something we should ask ourselves every day. My brothers and sisters, purifying the intention is one of the hardest struggles of the heart, but it is also one of the most rewarding. If you correct your intention, your normal actions become worship, your small deeds become huge, and your life becomes filled with barakah. So before your next prayer, before your next good deed, pause for a moment and say, "Ya Allah, I do this only for you." Because remember, actions are judged by intentions, and Allah knows what is in the heart.